Ki Arngut ki MP ke Shillong uba Vincent H. Pala MP ke Kongres bat u Dr. W. Khaluki MP ke Raja Sabha na keseng NPP kila kentu yung menteri rang badu akari ban pelat no yo phadar stan swami uphadar jong jinga slok ujisu ubala syakem hindin gemit ha ka National Investigation Agency na yeng jong u na ranchi kani ka jing syakem uphadar ka de halor ka jingja ka bala jaya house nam arajar khapra ha ka sinong Koregaon Bhima Maharashtra ha ka ba kalami ka jing klumar bat ka jing syapinyap uai ubre ha ka por barakhe ya ka jing dap aspas nam kathma Koregaon Bhima ka bade ka jingele kirit pa dalit bat ki hiapan ke NIA kalakem yo phadar halor kajing subau bo udang kti bat kaseng Communist Party of India Maoist kaseng kabala shakhen bi an ha ka sarkar India lakin no bah kate kajingja house nam araja khapra kaseng CPI Maoist kaidan bentalang nakaliang ki MP kajala kila ong bo phadastan udai ureu teman bala phra pulais nam khakarta badon bun kicat jingpang hakamet jongu nalor kataru ulai trailang berkejing tokit nadu unai tung mentakasnem kari khasi channel kalayo banyak ran bat uba Vincent Pala halor kani kejing syakem uphadar
Ika jing snow jo fi halo kato kan syakam fana kan hamdang udi uba terem tak hidup kisuk mang hamdang berat temen ke nak lang fi ki MP dale
Sina kaliang jonga kidang yitho nga menne jing sha
hai
na po jong ki jesut ki phone hina ba kyang syakam sisa ka kes ka bala aslam
hai
ba uni fadaru ba sha yarab hai ki tribal si
ha
kano ga jing jong ki tribal su de mu hukum leader te kini pat ki nong sito ki bisni ge namar ba ndong mu banda panditli ki tribal ki yatli
ha
te ban pendaun ya ka balang ban pendaun ya ka nyam
ha
te da ka ba pengkemi u te ding sha hang te ka parti badal hang te menta de ka congress pat ke JMM te kata ki wan tha bi direct na ko national ge
ha
te ngala kali ngadang ya keren menne bat ki ni boro singi na keren bat ki ong kamdan era kat ba ki ong kat ba ujuba bu fadar te ki ong hana ba kata ka laptop ka don ka mail ka ba uya keren bat kini ki dano fadar bo ong kata ka laptop kamde ga jong u kisi ki laptop ki komputer tang ba kamde ga jong u kata ki tak tani ki sule don bor bm gene ga jong me na mar ba ki don ki ba tho ga pengide ban discuss bat fadar de ban keren bat fadar fadar ong kata ga de ki keren jong ki nothing to do but u te example ko mentangan suang ni fide so bahang yarap kilik pengkeren yuta kilik pilek yuta ya keren para maki sepang bau padaru bala ban yarap de uklam yarap reki kede sangga jing keren gajing ya conversation para maki kamdon da gajing conversation ber padar kamdon da gajing lap jong ki onde sang ban penting snake ya kiwei ke jadi dan bor baik lebale kin discuss bat ka state common kene katai ki wan be nani ki ra be ti ha
Tuan ni apa lu nak National Investigation Agency na Delhi bai no
kadon ha po na Bombay ke headquarter
ha
te na Bombay ka wan chate nang te bat ka khadi u ke perkat trapolize nem kene ke kes ka bala asna manchwa
takanya askat pra ha te kai jing fi jo fi par ko MP mo halo kan ke jing atau isok sa bag babur ki no Pakistan ki shop system ben no
ha kata man kene la keren bat ni la thor su prime minister la thor su home minister na keren po office bakani tadi ban perkara na marba kan dan norim
ha
tang fi la ti ke BJP te norim nem norim kala bor be manta mar ke la yo absolute majority te ko ban suppress ki bu jongi gen tegani gade ka we ni ka agenda jong ki te kam de ba fi whether you wrong or right kam de ka ta ki te tang bi yo kalat ki le le
ha
te ngin sa page na marba ngin la shai ngin sa yekren bat ki he jang ke suit an ya deli
ha
te ngin spondik bat ki hara du kortom tang ba khat artrik ki ong kan don ke jing ya ki ke jing protest keleng
ha Ang kani ka khatu manu pelong kan jadi si mah sa
kadon ke jing korpat na galiang jang ke jisut ke de ka organization ke de ka congregation tene liang jong ki bat kato te kin keleng ye baro ki catholic me ki like mandat kristen ke tauni uni upadar de leader mde tang jong ka balang catholic de leader jong jan baro ki leader jong ki tribal Laduk Madhya Pradesh Jharkhand contractor
ta memang ta
We are all old friends and comrades of Stan Swami. We have seen his honesty, his gentleness, his commitment. You cannot think of a more harmless person than him in Ranchi. And yet, he has been arrested today arbitrarily under a draconian law that should not even exist. And even though he's 84 years old and in poor health. So we feel that this is a very objectionable and ruthless arrest. In fact, I think it is even a demonstration of ruthlessness. And we are protesting not only his arrest, but also the laws, and in particular the UAPA, under which he has been arrested and under which any citizen who stands up for justice and speaks out against the government's policies may be arrested any day.
Do you think he has any connection with Bhima Koregaon incident or like that?
That is not the point. My question is why put him in jail? What is the need to put such a harmless person who is not a security risk of any kind, who is not in danger of running away? What is the need to put him in jail? I think it is completely objectionable, whatever may be the issue.
So what is the reason behind, what do you think that underneath the reason, why he is being harassed
that is not
regularly?
What we are protesting about. We are protesting about the brutality and unnecessary ruthlessness of his arrest and against the laws that make this kind of arbitrary arrest possible.